In the kingdom of Verona, where the whispers of magic danced with the breeze, there resided a castle adorned with towers that touched the heavens. Within its walls dwelled King Edward, Queen Eleanor, and their beloved daughter, Princess Isabella. Surrounding the castle lay the enchanted rose garden, a haven of tranquility and beauty. But within its vibrant petals lay a curse, a darkness that threatened to consume the very essence of the kingdom. Princess Isabella, with her heart filled with love and determination, vowed to break the curse and restore the garden to its former splendor. Thus, she embarked on a quest that would test her courage, her wisdom, and her unwavering resolve. Accompanied by her loyal companions, Sir Tristan, the gallant knight, and Morgana, the wise sorceress, Princess Isabella ventured into the depths of the enchanted forest. Where secrets whispered among the ancient trees and shadows danced in the moonlight. Their journey was fraught with peril and adventure. They encountered mystical creatures and faced trials that tested the very core of their beings. Through dark forests and treacherous swamps, they pressed onward, fueled by hope and guided by the light of the golden rose. Along the way, they encountered allies and adversaries alike. From the mischievous sprites of the forest to the wise old owls who guarded its secrets, each encounter brought them closer to their destiny. But the greatest challenge lay ahead. The guardian of the Golden Rose, a being of immense power and ancient wisdom. To prove their worth, they were tasked with unraveling riddles, overcoming illusions, and confronting the shadows that lurked within their own hearts. Through acts of selflessness and sacrifice, they proved themselves worthy of the Golden Rose's power. With trembling hands and hearts full of hope, they reached out and plucked the rose from its thorny stem, unleashing its magic upon the world. As the first light of dawn broke over the horizon, the curse was lifted, and the enchanted rose garden bloomed once more, its petals aglow with the light of 1,000 stars. And so, Princess Isabella's journey came to an end, but her legacy lived on in the hearts of those who heard her tale. For in the kingdom of Verona, where magic and wonder intertwined, there was always hope in the darkest of times. Princess Isabella and her companions rejoiced as the enchanted rose garden bloomed once more, its beauty restored to its former glory. But their triumph was short-lived, for a new darkness loomed on the horizon. Whispers spread throughout the kingdom of Verona of a sorcerer whose shadow threatened to engulf the land in eternal night. Known only as Malachi, He wielded dark magic that twisted and corrupted all it touched. Determined to protect her kingdom from this new threat, Princess Isabella set forth once more, her heart filled with courage and her resolve unshaken. Venturing deep into the heart of the forest, they encountered townsfolk whose homes had been ravaged by Malachi's dark minions, creatures born of nightmares and fueled by fear. With each step, the air grew thick with tension, and the very trees seemed to whisper warnings of the sorcerer's power. But Princess Isabella pressed onward, her companions by her side, their spirits unwavering in the face of adversity. Their journey led them to the towering spires of Malachi's fortress, a twisted labyrinth of shadows and secrets. With every turn, they encountered traps and illusions designed to test their resolve and break their spirit. But Princess Isabella, guided by her unwavering sense of duty, pressed onward, her heart a beacon of hope in the darkness. As they delved deeper into the heart of the fortress, they uncovered secrets long forgotten, ancient scrolls that spoke of a time when light and darkness waged war for the fate of the world. But the greatest challenge lay ahead, a confrontation with Malachi himself, whose eyes gleamed with the fire of 1,000 stars and whose voice echoed with the whispers of the abyss. To defeat Malachi and banish his shadow from the land, Princess Isabella and her companions must confront the darkness within themselves. For only by embracing the light can they hope to overcome the shadows that threaten to consume them. With the power of friendship and the strength of their convictions, they faced Malachi in a battle that would determine the fate of the kingdom. In the end, it was not swords or spells that defeated Malachi, but the purity of Princess Isabella's heart and the unwavering courage of her companions. As the first rays of dawn broke over the horizon, the darkness lifted, and the kingdom of Verona was bathed in the light of a new day. And so, Princess Isabella's journey came to an end, but her legacy lived on in the hearts of those who had witnessed her courage and her determination to protect the ones she loved.